Hi, beautiful souls. How are you all? I hope you're living your life in the most amazing way and taking good care of yourself and your family. So, today I'm back again with a new video for you. And if this video brings even a small positive change in your lives, I'll feel that all my efforts were really worth it. So, today I'm going to talk about English language. I know most of us can understand English, but when it comes to speaking it confidently, we face difficulties, and that's exactly the problem I'm here to solve. So I'm going to share some practical and easy solutions that will help you to overcome your fear and speak English more fluently. So let's begin with the tip number 1. Guys, first of all, remove the fear from your mind that if you have just started speaking English, just stop thinking about that people will laugh at you for making mistakes. It's normal. Everybody can do mistakes while learning something. Most of the people who judge others can't even speak their own mother tongue properly. Yeah. So don't care about their opinions, okay? But yes, when someone genuinely point out your mistake, take it positively. Remember, the person who truly wants to see you speak English will be the one who helps you improve. Number 2 is practice with a 5-minute video every day. Guys, you can pick a clip of any celebrity or any influencer who can speak good English, and you can watch that clip and you can try to imitate the way they speak, their tone, their sentences, their pronunciation. Okay, do this daily, and this is the way real improvement happens. Number 3 is very, very important, guys. You should remove this misconception from your brain. Okay, you do not need to learn proper English grammar or full tense knowledge to speak English. No. Let's think about it. When you learned your mother tongue, did anyone teach you about grammar rules? No. You learned it by listening, speaking, repeating, and slowly understanding the meanings, right? My mother tongue is Punjabi, and no one ever taught me its grammar when I first started it speaking. I just learned it by listening and speaking. And I think any language can be learned by the same way. Grammar and tenses are helpful for general knowledge, but fluency comes only from practice. That's why I said pick a celebrity clip and try speaking like them. Number 4 is start speaking English with your family, okay? Talk to your younger siblings, your parents, or anyone at home in English. And guys, if you are unable to understand the meaning of any word, then you can search it on Google right away, okay? This quick habit will speed up your learning. Trust me. So number 5 is watch web series and Hollywood movies. This helps a lot, guys. Honestly, most of the English words I learned were from movies and TV dramas. Yeah. And whenever I heard a new word, I would immediately look up its meaning in the Google or dictionary. And because of this habit, I never forget it. Never. And finally, have faith in yourself, guys. You can do anything you set your heart on, okay? But you must step out of your comfort zone, okay? And you must give yourself time and consistency. Once you do that, you will see a massive difference in your confidence. And ever since I learned English, my confidence reached a whole new level, guys. And this happens with everyone. In India, most of the people understand English, but they struggle to speak it. Just because the environment around them doesn't encourage them to speak English in homes or in workplaces or in schools. Students were taught English rules, grammars, and tenses, etc. But proper attention is not given to speaking English and or having conversation in English. Just because of that, you'll need to work a little harder. Follow the steps I shared and you will see a huge change in yourself very soon. And with that, today's video ends here. I will meet you soon with another exciting video. Until then, take care. Lots of love from my side. Thank you so much. Bye bye.